We have something very unique today. This is a Tempest. It's not a Le Mans or a GTO. It's a Tempest, beautifully restored, and it does have a 4-speed, and it does have a 400 motor under the hood. They took John DeLorean's idea of stuffing a big motor in a Le Mans and creating the GTO. They took it one step further and did it with a Tempest. It's even lighter weight, even more of a sleeper. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find this one and 200 other classic cars that are all for sale, and each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is one of the more affordable cars we have, and I'll tell you what, it's just about as nice as our nicest car. So beautiful. I mean, I'm looking at red glass. This is absolutely straight, square, flush, lines up. Nice. You see the reflection of the ceiling like a mirror. Beautiful. Fenders the same way. Look at these gaps. They're spot on like a Mercedes. Here's a little chip on the edge of the door. The chrome trim here and the molding along the bottom's beautiful. All nice and straight. This is what a lot of people call the post coupe. Shuts like a new car. The roof is beautiful. Quarter panels are straight. And these are long, flat panels. And look down the side, it's arrow straight. Same thing up here. Incredible body and paint. This is amazing. And when I said this is as nice as our nicest car, I'm not kidding. This is outstanding. Absolutely straight. All the way down to the bottom. Right around the wheel well lips. All these are polished like chrome. This is outstanding. Look at that door, how it fits. Shuts like a new car. Beautiful. All this is outstanding. I love it. This side's chipped up too. Maybe sometimes, yeah, it's not touching, but if you're parked kitty wonkus on a driveway or something, the car twists a little bit, it might touch there, so you have to be careful with that. Windshield's crystal clear. I'm sure it's new. All this is sparkling. It's like show quality bumper. The entire grille and bezels and the arrowhead, all that's sparkling show quality. Even the wipers are polished. All the moldings are polished. The rubber around here is replaced. All this chrome and trim, beautiful. Door handles are beautiful. The seals are all replaced. Rear window is very clear. It might be original, a couple little marks, but I mean, it's almost like brand new. 15-inch poverty wheels painted red to match the car with the dog dish caps in the middle. They're in like brand new shape. And those are BFGoodrich radial redline tires. The factory option was the splitter tips, which I love those. Emblem is sparkly. Look at back here, the tail light bumper. This whole panel is cool. I'm a GTO guy, and this is just cool to me because you don't see these. This is all different, unique, and looking great. All right, let's open it up. I got more good stuff to show you. I think you're really going to like what you see in here. It's all painted red and glossy, beautiful. The jam, you always talk about under the trunk lid and the jam, the new weather strip, but look at the whole inside of this car. The trunk is all painted red. There's no rust in that metal at all. God, it looks original to me. I'm not a trained body man, but I don't see obvious aftermarket welds or cuts or anything like that. It's looking really good. I got a red wheel, complete jack assembly. I mean, you're never going to use that jack, but it's all looking good. It's complete. Looks nice. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Check out our website too. We have all sorts of cool stuff in our museum, along with the cars for sale. So the jams are slick as can be. The lip at the bottom's clean. The weather strips have been replaced. So the inside metal trim is painted silver and gray, real nice. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles, all replaced. Fit real nice. Door jams, even up by the hinges, are clean. Very clean, tidy, simple. All the bezels and plastic is really nice. Has a tachometer, how clean that is. A radio delete plate, and it's not just any old radio delete. It's the Pontiac arrowhead right on it. And there's no antenna on the car either, because it is a radio delete. Comes with the original literature. This little one actually fits right in there. Shuts nice. All this is clean, tidy. Reproduction mats. The carpet even fits great. I had so many cars you get with new carpet and it's all wrinkled up. Here we go. Nice Hurst 4-speed shifter. I love the upholstery. Again, it's different to me. It's interesting. It's something new for me to see. And these are rebuilt seats. The springs, the cushions are real nice. I love the striping. You have cloth, you have vinyl, you have the arrowhead. Also has seat belts in the front. That was optional in '64. People in back don't get seat belts. They can be added though. That's not expensive to do. Here it's like a drum, so it's all redone. The side panels, the armrest, all redone. The rear shelf and all the trim looks like new and it fits beautifully. So it has the white perforated headliner in excellent shape. Real nice looking working light. Matching visors, nice mirror. They did put an aftermarket walnut steering wheel on there. It does have the arrowhead on the horn. Yeah, isn't this like a really, really nice car? And I'm telling you, it's about half the price of our average car on our website. So that is actually a 400 motor that's in there, and boy, it starts nice. I just pulled the car in here. You just touch the key and it's just smooth as can be. The clutch is smooth. The car feels really good. So yeah, it's rebuilt nicely. Edelbrock intake up on top with an Edelbrock carburetor hiding underneath the air cleaner. This is a pie pan reproduction chrome air cleaner. The distributor, the wires, hoses, everything's neat and tidy. This has the ram air exhaust manifolds. And just look how smooth and clean. My guess, this is probably like an old lady's car, and maybe even a 6-cylinder car or something like that, and they put the big motor in there because the car itself is so clean. All this metal, look how smooth. It's not layers and layers of paint. The shroud, the fan, the reproduction clamps, nice. Alternator looks fresh, has power steering. Batteries all secured. Everything's tidy, all nice. Hinges are clean. And then under the hood has a nice insulation pad fitting real nice. Looks good. Ready to go to car shows. But right now, Michael's ready to show you how it runs. We'll see you in a couple minutes.
All right, everybody. Pretty cool car we got here today. Nice little '64 Tempest. Not something that we get every day at the museum. This is kind of a sleeper right here. You know, really stock looking from the outside with the steel body colored rims and everything like that. But it's got a 400 underneath the hood. Very nicely built. Started up very easily for me with just 2 taps on the gas and a tap of the keys. And I've started about 3 times since then, and didn't need to give it more gas. Seems very happy. Just wants to run. Also 4-speed manual here. That is always a blast to throw around. So you got yourself a really cool little combo and a very lightweight vehicle. So our shop went over this car top to bottom, very small bill on it. Pretty dialed in when we got it. We fixed like the speedo gear, gave her a good detail. Spent about $1,500. Nice sounding exhaust, you can hear it there. We're on our private test track, so we don't need to worry about road salt and everything like that during this inclement Illinois weather. And yeah, good car. Very nice experience for not a heck of a lot of money. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
So this may have been a body off frame restoration. It actually looks that way. The frame and chassis, smooth metal, not pitted. painted a nice satin semi-gloss black. The floors look immaculate, and they're more of a flatter black. The steering and suspension looks like it's all brand new. The front control arm bushings, the ball joints, the springs, the shocks, all that looks very fresh. The drum brakes all the way around are working properly. E-brakes hooked up. Fuel tank looks fresh. Does have a really nice sounding exhaust system that looks new with stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers. And again, those splitter tips are a factory Pontiac option. You look up at the motor, it's spotless from the bottom. Does have a high torque starter. It's an M20 Muncie 4-speed transmission in there. Also looks fresh and new. The linkage looks brand new. Even up on top, the shifter handle's sparkling. I also noticed it has 3 of the original headlights, 3 T3 headlights. One of them has been replaced. There's newer. So yeah, the whole underneath is nice. It's an outstanding car. Again, one of our better cars and one of our less expensive cars. How'd that work out? Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your Tempest delivered to your door and how to get it financed if you need help with that too. Thanks for watching.